Hey friends! For today's video, I am going to be doing a super fun challenge that will get me ready for the holiday season. Also, if you're new here, hi, I'm Jenna. I am technically a corporate girly from 9 to 5, but on the side, I run my crochet business. Crochet is actually super labor intensive, and I feel like a lot of people don't know this, but crochet cannot be mass produced, unlike knitting. So whenever you see a crochet piece, just know that it was handmade and hand crocheted by somebody. So I've been running my business for a few years now, and every year I make the horrible mistake of getting myself burnt out. Specifically last year was super bad. I bit off way more than I could chew, and I took on way too many orders, and I really burnt myself out bad by the time January rolled around. I love crocheting, it's truly a passion of mine, and I do it every single day, but I know it's not sustainable in the long run if I keep burning myself out and taking on way too many orders than I can handle. So with the holidays right around the corner, it's currently October 23rd, I've been trying to brainstorm a few different ways that I can try to come up with new products that I can sell this holiday season without having myself get burnt out from crocheting. So after a lot of brainstorming, I think I came up with the perfect solution. Drumroll! Selling more manufactured products through print on demand with Gelato. And Gelato is actually the sponsor of today's video. So in case you didn't already know, print on demand is a service where products such as apparel, wall art, and accessories are all produced once an order is placed. So with Gelato, they will automatically receive, fulfill, and ship out the order. All I have to focus on is actually coming up with the products and designing them. This will be a total game changer, especially during the holiday season where my time is limited and I can't necessarily crochet 100 plushies. Don't get me wrong, I love crocheting and I love making crochet plushies, but especially during this crazy time of year, I want to make sure that I cater to everybody in my audience, and I always feel bad that I'm not able to make something for everybody, so hopefully this will help fix a little part of that problem. Okay, so now for the challenge. I already have a few print-on-demand products in my shop, so I already know that my customers like these products. I have a hoodie, a tote bag, a shirt, something else. Oh, a crew neck. So with the holiday season coming up, I definitely want to offer more products and more designs. So this is where I'd like the challenge to come into play. I am going to challenge myself to make and list 6 new products in under 1 hour. And specifically, I think I want to make 2 hoodies, 2 crew necks, and 2 t-shirts and have them all ready and live on my shop by the end of this video. Okay, so I'm going to officially start the timer and then we will be off to the races. Okay, I'm honestly really nervous now pulling up the timer. And start. Wait. That was for 15 minutes. I swear I put it on an hour. Oh my gosh. Okay, let's try that again. 1 hour, starting now. Okay, so the first step to making new products is the design phase. Currently, my top best-selling products have "In My Crochet Era" written on them. I'll insert a picture. It's my hoodie and then also my crew neck. So I feel like I want to stick with that design, but maybe change it up a little. Maybe I can put the "In My Crochet Era" on the back of the hoodie and crew neck and then focus on a new design for the front. And I pulled up my iPad because it's perfect for kind of like jotting out ideas. So here's my poorly drawn t-shirt. And I feel like if I wanted to do "In My Crochet Era" on the back, that kind of takes care of that. But in the front, I feel like I want something right here on like the left-hand side. I personally like more simple designs. And actually, I think it'd be super cool if people could personalize the front of the shirt. When I first started my crochet business, one of the first things I did was order merch for myself. I ordered a custom embroidery crew neck that had "Crochet by Jenna" on the front, and I wore it like all the time. Even though this was like right when I started my business, my brand essentially meant nothing, I still was repping "Crochet by Jenna. So I feel like people would honestly want to do the same. I also feel like personalized gifts and apparel mean so much more to people and come off way more genuine. Okay, wait, let me show you guys. So something like this, where we have this, and this would be their @ and the IG handle. And then on the back, let me make a copy of this. This is the Notability app, by the way. I use this for like everything. It is super awesome because look, I just copy and pasted that t-shirt design. So this is the front, and then if we do the back, this is the back of the t-shirt. "In My Crochet Era." Okay, so this is kind of what I'm thinking. And yeah, don't mind the extremely bad mock-up, but roughly, I think this is a good place to start. And I know that I'm mocking up the t-shirt, but I feel like this same design could be applied to the crew neck, the hoodie, etc. So we might be able to maximize our time by coming up with 2 really good designs and then just applying it to all of the products. So since we're going the personalized route, I wanted to call out that Gelato makes it so easy for you to offer personalized products. And the best part about this is that you can create your designs and enable personalization of both text and images for your customers directly on your Etsy and Shopify. So there's no need to connect to any third-party tools or manually approve of your customers' orders. Everything will be handled automatically by Gelato's personalization studio. And that honestly will save me so much time and energy since the holiday season is crazy and people will be placing a lot of orders all at once, and I don't think I could handle manually personalizing each product or approving of each order. But okay, timer check. We have 54 minutes left, so let's head to the design studio and bring this design to life. I may or may not have taken a quick break to get some coffee. Look at this cute Sequoia mug I got. But okay, back to the challenge at hand. I am going to pull up Canva and Kittl because those are the 2 platforms that I use to kind of mock up all my graphics. And then once we get the graphics finalized, I will import it into Gelato. But I'm gonna pull up my previous project with Kittl because I have the In My Crochet Era graphic already good to go. But I do kind of want to refresh it. Okay, so here it is. Kept these colors, but maybe we can change it up. I'm thinking for these next few products, I like the pastels, but also I feel like if there's too many colors going on, it might be too much. I feel like that was one feedback that I received from you guys, was maybe keep the colors more like neutral. Okay, this is honestly not that bad. I kind of like the beige colors. And actually, I just realized I don't need to work on the front graphic because that will be personalized and my customers will fill out that. So I think we're finally ready to jump into Gelato's Design Maker and bring our hoodie to life. Alright, so I just logged into Gelato and let's pick out the hoodie and then we can go into the Design Maker. So I'm going to be looking for women's hoodies. We'll start out there and let's see. Okay, yes, I think I want to do this Gildan one. You can never go wrong with Gildan. So we are now officially in Gelato's Design Maker, and as you can see, you can design your products online completely for free and they make it super easy to bring any idea you have to life. I personally love how simple the interface is and how user-friendly it feels. This is perfect for my design challenge because I feel like I'll be able to whip out these designs super quick. I am going to start on the back since we know that will be the same for every single hoodie. And let me go ahead and upload the design that we were working on. There it is. Okay, so let me go ahead and remove the background. It's so nice they have that option. Wait, okay, I really like this design, you guys. I like how it's not totally in your face with the bright colors like last time. It's very like neutral, chill vibes. So now that the back is all done, let's jump to the front and we can work on the customization options. I am going to add text, and this will be what people will be able to select when they go to checkout. As you can see, I want it pretty simple. I just want the username. But now I'm thinking, looking at it, maybe it should be in the center because I know the custom crew neck that I had made, it had Crochet by Jenna right on the center. I think I want to do that. This is why I really love Gelato's Design Maker. It's super easy to visualize what your products are going to look like, and I feel like I wouldn't have made this decision without seeing it first. So that's exactly why they have this built-in Design Maker. Okay, that looks really good, you guys. That looks really good. I would totally order this. Okay, so now that we're good with our hoodie, both the front and the back, it's time for mock-ups. Another great feature of Gelato that is my personal favorite is their mock-up studio. For every product that you create with Gelato, you'll instantly get a high-quality preview without needing to order a physical sample. You can also download the mock-ups to use on your shop as listing photos or even share on your social media when you market your new products. And as you can see, there are so many different mock-ups to choose from. You have all different models, you have all different positions, you can see every aspect of your product, and the images are super high quality and they look really great. So I'm just picking out a few more pictures for the mock-ups, and then I think we're ready to go to the detail section. So in this section, this is where I can write up the product's description, the title, etc. But to save time, I'm going to do this later. So let's proceed with the prices. And with Gelato, it's super helpful because they actually have pricing guidelines for you, and you can see what kind of profit to expect from each of your products. All right, so we're officially done with product number 1. It is currently $256, so we have 36 more minutes left on the clock. I'm going to quickly integrate my Etsy and upload the hoodie design. So Gelato makes it super easy to integrate with my Etsy and my Shopify, which are the two platforms that I use for selling my products. I'm super thankful how convenient Gelato makes listing new products, because from personal experience, whenever I list a new crochet plushie or crochet pattern, it takes me a long time to create the listing. Okay, so my Etsy is officially connected, and that literally took like 2 seconds. I just had to sign in real quick and then boom, it was integrated. So let's go ahead and add the hoodie that we just mocked up together. Oh my gosh, there it is. It's live, you guys. Look at her. Oh my gosh, that mock-up looks so good. I can't believe we're already done with product number 1. 5 more to go, and quick check on the time. We have 28 minutes left. So next up is another hoodie, just because I feel like hoodies are super popular in my shop, so I wanted to offer 2 different designs. But real quick, I wanted to call out that Gelato actually keeps track of your product prices on both Shopify and Etsy. So this actually gives you a better picture of the actual costs and revenue associated with each product. And this will ultimately allow you to make more informed business decisions and have better controls on your profit margins. And speaking of profit margins and all that good business stuff, Gelato actually has such amazing analytics tools to help you dive into everything that you would need from a data standpoint. You can really optimize your marketing and sales strategy by understanding which products generate the highest profit margins, where your customers are coming from, and how quickly your orders are being fulfilled. Okay, so we're back to the design phase, and I'm thinking for design number 2, I want something with coffee incorporated. We had a coffee break earlier, and I feel like coffee and crochet are kind of like a cute saying in duo. So let me see what I can mock up. Wait, okay, I'm actually really liking this little like logo that I put together. I guess not logo, but this will be what the graphic will be on like the left-hand side. I think I'm going to save this down, and then we'll head back to Gelato and upload it to the design maker to see it on the hoodie, but I'm having high hopes about it. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. It's so small. Okay, and let me put it on the left-hand side. Wait, this is so cute. And for the back, I think maybe I could offer a personalization section here, because sometimes people like to have like their business name or like a saying on the back. So I think that would be the perfect place, because I don't want to crowd the front. So let me head down to the personalization section. I'm going to add text, and again, I'm just going to say Instagram handle. Okay, I think this is officially my new favorite product. Good thing I didn't place the order yet for the other hoodie, because I'm definitely going to order this one. Okay, let me select my mock-ups again. It is looking so cute, you guys. Oh my gosh, guys, product number 2 is officially live on my Etsy, and they look so cute. I am loving all of the different colors, especially the light pink. As a pink girly, I love the light pink. I can't believe we already did 2 different products. Now, I'm checking the clock. We have 15 minutes left. How is that possible? I feel like we were doing so good on time. Oh gosh, we really need to go into hyperdrive and get the next 4 products done. As a quick reminder, I want to do 2 crew necks and 2 t-shirts, but I think to save time, since I love the 2 designs I just made so much, I feel like I want to just carry over those designs to the crew neck and the t-shirt. I feel like I run into this problem all the time where I'm shopping and I love a hoodie design, but it is only offered in a hoodie. And I personally am more of a crew neck gal. So I always say to myself like, oh man, if only they offered the same design in a crew neck. So if you're like me and you prefer like a hoodie over a crew neck or a crew neck over a hoodie, vice versa, this will be the solution for you guys. I will offer the same 2 designs across a few different products, and Gelato will actually make this super easy to accomplish. I have no doubt that we will be able to finish this challenge in time in the next 15 minutes. So I'm back in Gelato's product catalog. Let's pick out the crew neck. Oh, perfect. The first one is Gildan. Of course, we're gonna go with that one. Let's go ahead and start carrying over the design. Super simple. I'm just gonna drag that same design over. Love it, love it, love it. Looks perfect. And in the back, I am going to do personalization, and we are going to be doing the Instagram name. All right, design number 1 done. Let's go on to design number 2 for the crew neck. Okay, and design number 2 is done. It is looking fabulous. I personally love crew necks, and I know I keep saying this, but I will have to order this as well. All right, time check. We have 10 minutes left. That only took us 5 minutes. Let's quickly do the same thing for the t-shirts, and then I think we are good to wrap up. Okay, so we're back to the product catalog. Let's see what kind of t-shirts they offer. All right, there we go. Gildan number 1, the first thing I see. Let's go and use that. And I am quickly going to transfer over the 2 designs to the 2 t-shirts, and then I think we can wrap up. Okay, I just got done t-shirt number 2, so we officially have all 6 products done, designed, and ready to go. I am quickly going to set all of the listings as live on my Etsy, and then we can finally wrap up the challenge. And a quick time check, we have 6 minutes left. So I feel really good about timing. It doesn't really take that long to integrate over all of the listings. So let me quickly do that, and then I'll check in with you guys. Oh my gosh, I just got done transferring all of the listings over to Etsy, and they are officially live, and the official time left on the timer is 3 minutes and 16 seconds. Oh my gosh, I cannot believe that I just created 6 new products for my shop in under an hour. And look how cute they look on my Etsy, you guys. They are so, so cute. I already added some items to the cart, but I think my favorite product out of all 6 different products we just created has to be the coffee crew neck. And I'm going to order it in light pink. I'm super excited to receive them in the mail. I think I'll get one of each product just so I can like see how it is in real life, but I have full confidence that it is going to look amazing just like it looks on the screen right now. Woo! This past hour has been a grind, you guys. I feel so, so good right now, and I wanted to say thank you so much again to Gelato. I would not have been able to do this challenge without Gelato. I feel like it would have been impossible to create 6 new products otherwise in under an hour. Like, that's just crazy. So if you want to start selling your own print-on-demand products, you can try Gelato for free using my link www.gelato.com/Jenna, and you'll get 50% off your first order. And that discount is perfect if you want to order some sample products and see what they look like in real life before putting them on your shop. And before we wrap up, Gelato actually has an app on your phone, so if you're like me and are always on the go and kind of like managing your business from all different types of devices, the Gelato app makes it super easy for you to manage all of your orders and your products all in one place. It's available on iOS and Android, and it's free to download. So now I can officially sit back and relax. I'm really glad I'm going the print-on-demand route this year so I can give my hands a break and make sure I'm not getting burnt out from crochet. I hope you guys like all of the new designs and enjoyed watching this challenge. It's definitely a different type of video than my normal videos, but I figured what better way to challenge myself to do something than to film it. If you're a fellow crocheter like me, please be careful this holiday season. Do not hurt yourself. Do not overburden yourself. Don't get burnt out, and only take on what you can physically handle. Take it from me as a learning experience. You do not want to have way too many orders in your queue. I'm so excited for the holidays. I can't believe we're going into November with Thanksgiving and then finally Christmas. But until next time, I hope you guys have a great rest of your day, and I'll catch you in my next video.